This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 Hershey or AACA Fall Meet. Let's go do some car shopping. 52 Plymouth, drop top. This is Thursday morning? Yeah, Thursday morning. My mind is boggled. Of course, 3-speed. Nicely redone. That's a fine little car. Of course, a Cranebrook. Asking $16,500 reduced from $18,500. I'm sure it's the Flathead 6 because that's what they all are. 63 Fairlane, 60,000 original miles, everything works. Factory air, asking $23,500. Love the way how they just bolt on the compressors. Nice interior. I'm curious if that's actually factory. I don't know. It might be dealer installed, which is a good possibility. I like the skirt. Dresses up nice. It has been restored. Yeah, at $60,000, it's like, are you serious? Let's get some evidence here. Yeah, you can see some of the events over there of restoration. Repaint, definitely. That's a York compressor. I'm not sure if that's kosher. Hey, you can always ask. Beautiful Hudson. 1938 convertible. Nice little 8. Power dome. Hudson. That's cool. Look at the deco. I always like the touches. If you look close, the more you look, the more you're going to see all the little things. I want to just show you those lines. Isn't that gorgeous? Coming and going, just a beautiful car. Asking $39,500. 38 Hudson convertible. Ah, that's nice. And that's the 8-cylinder. There's that Ford panel. This was at Corral, if memory serves me correct. 46. We're asking $48,500 for it over here. Yeah, there's one on Thursday. There it is. I'll put down the Carlisle price if it did sell. I'm not sure if it did or not. Same thing with this Olds. This was also at Carlisle. 40 Oldsmobile Woody. Just beautiful car. Asking $55,000 for it, which I can see. I can see that. I mean, she is a gorgeous car and very unusual. Now this one, if I'm not mistaken, is a 6. Let's keep going. That is beautiful. Lincoln Continental convertible. What a way to cruise around. That can't be real. Is that an Allard? That's an Allard, folks. Now HRC, pardon me, HRC. Oh my gosh.
What engine did these run?
Singer. It's a Singer 1.5 liter that's heavily massaged by HRG.
These were the hot ticket in their day.
There were none in this. There were only 2 of these in the United States in the day.
But in Europe, they were quite a race car, from what I understand.
They were more of a rally trials car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now they were short-lived, if I remember
They
straight.
tried racing this body style, but didn't do well with it.
Yeah. What year is this?
1947.
47. Only at Hershey. Wow.
I watched your video from last year's
I told the
show
guy to take 29.
Ah,
online
thank you.
of the cars coming into the show, and I was
Yes.
very impressed because I own the Gordini.
Oh,
And
yes,
you
yes,
got,
yes.
You ID'd it from the distance
Yes.
correctly. I was really impressed by that.
Thank you. Yeah, that was one of the highlights of my show.
Well, I got it. It's back
Feel
this
good,
year.
yeah. Oh, I gotta check it out again. But this is over the top. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, I gotta ask, how much you asking?
I have it priced. I'm asking 180, but
Okay.
I mean, somebody can talk to me.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta start somewhere.
Yeah.
That's it. And remember, you can always go down. You can never go up.
Exactly what I said.
So,
Yeah.
It's
the
Tuesday.
last public sale was for that, so I'm like, oh, I'll start there.
yeah, there you go. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Go find another one.
You won't in the U.S.
That's for
There's
sure.
only 12 known in the world.
Gosh, unreal. Well, let's hope it stays in the U.S.
No. Yeah, I don't think the Europeans are buyers, but I'll be wrong.
I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah.
I'll see you in the show. Thank you very much.
Oh no, thank you.
Oh my. I was heading over there to see the Sunbeam. But we'll look at this Monaco. Interesting bodywork. I see. This used to be a Sunbeam, then you started rubbing it and grew into a Monaco. Okay. You know, I have to look at the Sunbeam. Is this the one which I saw the other day? No. It's got a wood dash, which is not kosher. Oh, wait. This is a 60. Oh. Square corner 66. 67. Okay. Nice little Alpine. Let's see what they're asking. I always like them. I had a couple at 65s. Older restoration, 1.7. Yes, 1725. Fantastic. Okay, top's good. Let's see. Asking 14.5, a reasonable offer. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's attracting a lot of attention.
So now this is.
What a brilliant entrance. You guys really made it. This is great. What year is she?
It's a 77.
77. And who did the conversion?
A man named Andy Houghton, AACA Associates, but it was Ford factory commissioned. So it was one of 8 that was produced in 77.
That is cool. Now I gotta ask, because you're in the car corral, how much are you asking?
Oh, it's I'm not ready to part with it yet. I thought I was, but I don't think I am.
I don't blame you. You can't get it back.
You know, I thought, what can I buy for what I could sell it for? And
It doesn't matter. You can't get it
Who bought
back.
it new?
so it was used by the U.S. Secret Service in Jimmy Carter's inaugural parade. That's why Ford had it factory commissioned. And my dad was a top Lincoln dealer, and when the car became for sale within Ford corporate, my dad had the opportunity to buy the car, and I inherited it 20 years ago.
There's no way you can sell it. I'm sorry.
Some emotional attachment.
Yeah, this is beautiful. And I'll tell you, again, your entrance was priceless.
Thank you.
It was great. Thank you very much.
If you're in the media, I can give you my card.
Yes. I'm going to zoom out and make it look good.